It is simply Keisha. I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face, don't be all in my space.
So just so you know, we are getting ready to do this experimental dish together. This is a first time thing. So yeah.
Alright, when I tell y'all, I do not know. So we are definitely gonna try this together, but I am going to do it I guess. We're going to line the cups with cheese. And then we're going to put them in the oven, okay? I'm going to tell y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to see. We're going to do it together. So I am going to do the bottom layer. I'm going to do the actual broccoli, so you don't mess it up. But what pairs really well with broccoli? You got to think about it. What is good for you? Well, what I'm using today is going to be a Caesar Ranch garlic seasoning, and that is always a good flavor for me. I love garlic on my broccoli, y'all. I love garlic on my broccoli. I like the flavor of garlic, okay? Like it gives the food a nice flavor. But we will start with a little lemon squeeze. I don't know if you guys like to put lemon in your vegetables. Start putting lemon in your vegetables. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over inside. Better than bouillon. Better than bouillon. Okay. And when I say just a dash of the W sauce or your sauce. So this really basically like a broccoli, potato, cheddar bake. So as you can see, I'm just going to take my hand, mix this broccoli all around. Wow, we have a shift jumper. We don't worry about those broccoli. We don't worry about the shift jumper. We focus on who loves to be cultivated and who wants to stay and get, nice meat, seasoned and dressed. All right, so that broccoli is seasoned pretty well. See, that's simple. Simple, y'all. Simple. So simple. So simple. Okay.
Okay, so right here, y'all, I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew that I wanted to create like the cup itself. So I know that cheese goes with broccoli, and broccoli also goes with potatoes. Potatoes and cheese go together. So I decided to layer the cheese with these thin sliced au gratin prepared potatoes. I had already cut them up and already prepared them like the au gratin style. Yes, because your girl really throws down in the kitchen. But and as you can see right here, I did want to go ahead and put another layer of the cheddar cheese on top of the potato. And right now I'm just topping it off with the broccoli, making it look so pretty and so green. I still did not know what I was doing at this time. Like, all I know is that I know I wanted to taste amazing. So you will see the results if, I don't know, was I able to pull it off or not? We'll see. So yeah, I'm just stuffing these little cups filled with mozzarella. Oh, well, it's like a blend. I did a cheese blend for the top. It was Romano, Parmesan, mozzarella, and Asiago. Yes. So now I am going to top this off with a little bit of olive oil and some secret seasonings. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is, but I'm putting this in the oven just because it's already semi-prepared. I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Dun, 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 dun. And voila, you guys. Oh my gosh. They turned out so cute. Like, what? Your girl really was a very, 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 this is a proud moment for me. Okay, you are looking at a successful dish, because what I didn't show you is how I burnt the cheese the first time around. But these came out perfect. So trial and error, you guys. Make sure that you learn from your own mistakes, because this right here is like perfection. I look at this little dish. If you are looking for a quick, very, very, very quick and easy, super chic and upscale appetizer to make for maybe a housewarming, birthday event, bridal shower, baby shower, any type of shower. Okay, if it's just for you and your man, if it's an anniversary, you just want to have some delectable, amazing tasting hand food, finger food. Oh my god, so good, and the taste is so good, y'all. If I could share some with you, I would, but I can't, so you know how that goes. But make sure that you go back, save this video so you can go ahead and do this for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Try this for yourself. Save the video, come back, watch it again, and then do it for yourself. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. I have so much more content like this coming. And if you have any tips, any tricks, anything that you would have done differently, any ingredients that I could have added, anything, I don't know, all of the tips, I love them all. So make sure that you get in the comments and tell me what you think. Maybe I'll send you one. But yeah, it's always my pleasure, you guys. It's your girl, Simply Keisha. Make sure that you hit that like, share, and subscribe button. We are definitely trying to grow the channel, so please share this video, like this video, leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, girl. Stop playing with me. Alright, but until next time, bye-bye. For more content like this, make sure that you hit that like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.